you ever seen the sun disappear in the middle of the day? Or the moon turn red at night? That amazing event is called an eclipse. The two main types of eclipses are solar eclipses, when the moon blocks the sun, and lunar eclipses, when the Earth's shadow covers the moon. It's like a giant space game of hide and seek. Let's explore the magical world of eclipses together. What is a solar eclipse? As you can see, the sun's got hidden and it's really dark out here. Do you know what it is? Don't worry, it's a solar eclipse. A solar eclipse happens when the moon comes between the Earth and the sun. Simple explanation: Sun, Moon, Earth. The moon blocks sunlight, and a shadow falls on Earth. That means daytime becomes darker. The sun looks like it is partly or fully covered. Types of solar eclipses: total solar eclipse, partial solar eclipse, annular solar eclipse. Total solar eclipse. The moon completely covers the sun. Day turns almost into night. Partial solar eclipse. Only part of the sun is covered. Annular solar eclipse. The moon covers the center of the sun, but a bright ring appears around it, like a ring of fire. Safety tip: ordinary sunglasses are not strong enough to protect your eyes. Use specially designed solar eclipse glasses and viewers to block the sun's harmful rays. What is a lunar eclipse? The moon does not make its own light. The moon shines because it reflects light from the sun. Earth prevents the moon from receiving sunlight during a lunar eclipse. Earth is in the middle of a line formed by the sun, moon, and other planets. A lunar eclipse happens when the Earth comes between the sun and the moon. Simple explanation: Sun, Earth, Moon. What happens during a lunar eclipse? The moon becomes dark. Sometimes it turns red. This is called the blood moon. Why red? Because Earth's atmosphere bends sunlight and only red light reaches the moon. Solar eclipse versus lunar eclipse. Happens in daytime. Happens at night. Moon blocks the sun. Earth blocks the moon. Need eye protection. Safe to watch. Lasts a few minutes. Can last for hours. An eclipse never comes alone. Did you know? An eclipse usually happens in pairs, sometimes even in groups of 3. Eclipses occur during special times called eclipse seasons. These happen about every 6 months when the sun, Earth, and moon line up perfectly in space. During one eclipse season, you might see a solar eclipse first. Then about 2 weeks later, a lunar eclipse happens. Sometimes, there can even be 3 eclipses in one season. Eclipses on other planets. Eclipses also happen on other planets. When a moon passes in front of the sun or when it casts a shadow on its planet. Mars. Its tiny moons Phobos and Deimos pass in front of the sun. They cause small, quick solar eclipses that last only a few seconds. Jupiter has many large moons like Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. These moons often create big shadow eclipses on Jupiter's clouds. Astronomers can even see their shadows from Earth with telescopes. Saturn. Saturn's moons, like Titan, can create eclipses. Sometimes Saturn's famous rings also cast shadows on the planet. Today we learned how the sun, Earth, and moon line up to create amazing celestial events called eclipses. From the bright glow of a solar eclipse to the beautiful reddish moon during a lunar eclipse, space is truly full of wonders. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.